Follow these steps to replace your SD card on your machine's Raspberry Pi. Make sure your machine is powered off, then pull the SD card from the Raspberry Pi here. Put the new SD card in the Raspberry Pi. Power the machine back on. Now you will need to perform a motor count. Check temperature settings and set prices. Press the Service Mode button here on the control board. Go to the Help screen. Press About. Verify SBC core version is version 3.21 and the SD card ID is 0.001 or 0.003. Back out of the main Service Mode menu. Find Motor Count and press Count Motors. Go back to the main Service Mode menu. Find Refrigeration menu and set it to cold. Press Save. Go back to the main Service Mode menu. Find the Set Prices menu. Set the correct prices. Then press Save. You can now back out of Service Mode and exit to Ven mode.